everyone, my name is Brittany. I am a designer with Chalk Couture. I've been with Chalk Couture since August of 2017, and I'm here to explain to you what is Chalk Couture. So basically, Chalk Couture is a company that is revolutionizing the DIY and home decor world. We feature three primary products. The main feature is our transfers, and these are reusable silkscreen transfers, which means that you can wash them in water and you can reuse them anywhere from 8 to 12 times. You can use them on lots of different surfaces. So you can use them on our boutique reusable double-sided surfaces. You can use them on wood. You can use them on fabric, chalkboards, glass, metal, pretty much any surface you can think of. You can also put it on your walls. You can put it on your refrigerator. You can put it on your toilet seat for all that matter. You can put them on anywhere. The transfers come in 5 different sizes. They come from anywhere from our A size transfers, which are 5 by 7, all the way up to our E size transfers, which are about 18 by 24. This one is an example of a really amazing porch sign that you would just cut this transfer in half and then put them one on top of the other. So lots of different applications that you can use for the transfers. Chalk Couture's second flagship product is our paste and our ink. So we have, like I just mentioned, 2 different types. We have a paste and we have an ink. The ink is mainly for using on fabric. So if you're gonna do pillowcase covers, t-shirts, things like that, tea towels, you would wanna use the ink for that because it is permanent once you heat set it. Our paste, on the other hand, is for pretty much every other application. It is washable, which is the wonderful thing, because if you're putting it on a non-porous surface, you can wash this off when you're tired of the design, put on something new. If you put it on your refrigerator or your microwave or any type of glass, you can wipe it off with water and a paper towel. If you're putting it on wood, even though technically it is a removable paste, if you're putting it on wood, wood is a porous surface, so it's gonna absorb into the wood and it's gonna be a lot more difficult to get it off of the wood. So I get a lot of people that ask, well, do I have to seal it? Or is it gonna be permanent if it's on the wood? It's not gonna go anywhere. You can always seal it with a Krylon matte sealer, a spray sealer, but if it's gonna hang as decor, there's no need to seal it. It's gonna be good to go on this wood. And then our third primary flagship product are what I just talked about, our surfaces. So we have a lot of different surfaces. We have what are called our boutique boards, which are these hard chalkboard-like surfaces that you can wash off and you can reuse. And then we also have our gallery surfaces, which is like our Aiden board up here. They are porcelain, they are magnetic, super high quality, distressed frame. They are a very high quality chalkboard. And then we also have more of our farmhouse type surfaces. So we have the double-sided box frames. These come in 4 different sizes. And then we also have our wood round cutouts that are going to be coming in July. And then we have our stand-up cutouts. Those are adorable. We've had Christmas trees in the past. We've had pumpkins, we have hearts, we have little houses, and we just got in these cute little stars for the 4th of July. They're so amazing. All right, so now that you know a little bit about the 3 flagship products of Chalk Couture, I'm going to give you a little demo of how it works. So I'm gonna use my board and base here, and I'm going to use this transfer. Today is the perfect day to begin. This was an exclusive transfer for our leaders on Chalk Couture that we got at our leadership convention. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to place the transfer on to my surface like that. I'm gonna spread it out and just make sure that there's no bubbles or anything like that. And then I'm gonna take my squeegee and my paste, and I'm just going to squeegee it on, kind of like if you are squeegeeing off your windshield of your car. That's exactly how it works. Like I said, this is washable paste, so if you get it on your clothes, if you get it on your hands, it's not a big deal at all. I'm gonna squeegee off all the extras. Now there's 2 rules you wanna remember. Rule number 1, you wanna make sure you can see the design underneath. You don't want your paste on so thick that you can't read the design underneath. If you can't see it, squeegee it off a little bit more. And then the second rule is that you want to make sure to peel it off while it's wet. You don't want it to dry before you peel it off. So I'm gonna peel it from the top like that. Ta-da! Okay, and then we stick it in our little frame. So easy, so simple. Doesn't get any more simple than that, right? So now that you've learned a little bit more about what Chalk Couture is, you might be wondering, well, what are the different ways that I can get involved with Chalk Couture? How can I use these products? So there are two primary ways that you can go about using the Chalk Couture products. The first way is just as a regular retail customer. So you can purchase direct from our website, www.kcchalk.com, kcchalk.com, and just click on the little shop link. You can purchase all of the transfers, the surfaces, the paste, the squeegees, tools. We've got all sorts of fun little crafty gadgets in there that you can purchase as a retail customer. Along the retail customer side, we also have a Club Couture subscription program. This subscription is a monthly subscription. It is $19.99 a month, which is in free shipping. And it gets you exclusive discounts, not only from me, but from corporate. And you get an exclusive 8.5 by 11 size transfer sent to you every month in the mail. So it's kind of like a craft of the month membership that gets you extra discounts. So that's all on the retail side. If you decide that this is something that you absolutely love and you want to be able to start a side business, or if you just want the really awesome 40% off discount for yourself to get all of this stuff at 40% off, you can join the company as a designer. And when you join the company as a designer, it is a $99 starter kit. The minimums that we have each quarter are pretty low, and then you have a couple different routes you can go within that. So you can use that 40% off discount to just purchase things for yourself, or you can start a side business. So anything that you were to make with your Chalk Couture products, you can sell, and you can sell them anywhere. You can sell them at craft shows, you can sell it at Etsy, on Etsy, you can sell it on Marketplace, you can sell to your family and friends, there's no restrictions on that, or you can sell the actual product itself, which is the most lucrative, definitely. And we have an amazing compensation plan to go along with it as well. So whether it's something that you just kind of want to dabble with, maybe then the retail customer side would be more of a fit for you. But if you're really wanting to make a little extra money with it, even if it's just a couple $100s a month, or if you think you're going to use it enough that you would really benefit from that 40% off discount, then becoming a designer and getting that starter kit is going to be the way that you're going to want to go. So I hope this was all helpful for you. I hope you learned a little bit about what Chalk Couture is, the three main flagship products that we have, and then the different ways that you can get involved with Chalk Couture if it is something that you are interested in. Either way, we would love to have you either as a retail customer or as a designer. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below, hit the subscribe button, or just check out kcchalk.com, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.